The recording is started. Now let me quickly pause the recording. Okay, so this session is being recorded and I will be posting this session to our website, and also I will be sharing it with you. Now the first thing that I want to share with you is do you know, like in testing, one of the things that you will be doing a lot is taking a screenshot. So you are working on an application and you are seeing there are some issues, some features are not working, or there are some other issues. In that situation, you will be taking a screenshot a lot. And after taking the screenshot, you will be forwarding this screenshot to other teams like the development teams, DBA teams, or some other teams, business teams. Okay. So these screenshot, they will, like let's say one of the features, the application that you are testing, the feature is not working. One of the feature is not working. So in that situation, you will have to create a defect. Normally, if something is not working in an application, what we do, we create a defect, and then the application development team or project team, they get notification, okay, one defect is created. And sometimes we, with the defect ID, we send an email to the group so that they can immediately get attention on the issue that we are trying to focus. So in creating defect, in reporting defect, or if you want to communicate with other teams, a lot of time you will be taking screenshot. Every day we take like 8, 10, 15 screenshots. So there are two ways by which you will be able to take a screenshot. And also while you are learning QA, let's say in some now you are learning SQL, then you will be learning automation like UFT, you will be learning load runner, right? So hello? Okay. So if he can hear us.
Yeah, he can hear.
Okay, let me share my screen with him so that he can take a look. And does everyone know how to share a screen in Skype?
Sorry? Yes.
Okay, so if you do not know, I'm just showing you how you will be creating, actually sharing screen. See, if you click plus here, and can you see, am I already sharing? I think he got, okay. Now I should be able to. Now can you see share screens? I can share a screen by clicking here. Also the people that you are calling, can you see, if you right click here and then you can share a screen by selecting this option from here. Okay, now this is the share screen option. I'm going to share a screen with him, and then I'll have to click start, and let me ask him quickly if you can see my screen. Now here okay, so lot of time now you are learning in SQL, then you will be learning some other tools like automation tool, Selenium, EFT, and load runner. So in the like lot of time you'll have different kind of problems, like your code is not working or you are not able to move forward because of some problem in your code or in your screen. So you will have to take a screenshot and then you will have to share it with us so that we can take a look and give you a solution. Okay, so how will you take a screenshot? So the simple solution, can you see everyone in your computer, there is a tool called Snipping Tool, or if you cannot see it in your start menu, if you type SNI, then you will see Snipping Tool in your menu. SNI, snipping, SNIPPING, Snipping Tool. Okay, so if you type SN, okay. So if you select this tool, and from here, I'm not going to select right now, but let me make a mistake. Okay, connect. Let's say system. I'm giving a wrong symbol here to connect to my database, but I'm making mistake in this statement. Now it is asking for password. Let's say I gave a wrong password. Okay, and then it is giving a error message, right? Everyone can see this error message. Now you want to take, like you are not understanding, okay, what does this error message mean? You are not able to move forward, but this problem, is stopping you from what you are trying to do. So what will you do? You will take a screenshot, like you will select snipping tool, and see, you are selecting the screen where you want to try screenshot, right? And then can you see highlighter? Let's say this is the error message you are getting. You want to highlight this error message. Okay, so you highlight, or if you want to highlight some other thing, you can highlight, and then you send me your portion. Okay, and if you want to write something, then let's say we want to write by red pen. Let's say this is the problem. Okay, so you type it. Okay, can you see you are typing, and then here you put a right, and then you press the copy here and then go to your Gmail. I will encourage everyone, please have a Gmail. Okay, in Gmail it is more easier than other email providers, free email providers, to use it. Okay, you can move forward with Hotmail, but I will encourage you when you get a chance, create an email account. Okay, I'll take it from you. Now, see how you send me this screenshot. You will have to send this screenshot to me. So how will you do that? You go to Gmail, and then from there you create a new email tab, and from this email tab, what you want to do, just paste. Control. What is the command for paste? Control B. What is the command for paste? Who doesn't know what is the command for paste? Who doesn't know? I want to see someone who doesn't know how to paste something. Control B. Okay, you know. Okay, who doesn't know? Okay, everyone knows. Okay, so cut, copy, paste. Okay, cut, copy, paste. We have the paste. Okay, cut, copy, paste. We have the paste. So we will be the best in cut, copy, paste. And a lot of people sometimes I saw they are getting like having difficulties in cut, copy, paste. So control, when you want to copy something, control C. No. Okay, when you want to copy something, what? So first step, control A. You will have to select. Okay, let me type something in the email.
Control and select all, right?
Yeah. Let me type something in the email. Okay. Then let's say you do not want to send everything. What you can do, you can come here and then you can select it in that way. Okay. you can, how I am selecting, I am pointing my cursor in the beginning and then
And dragging on the side.
driving.
Or I'm dragging on the
Yeah, hold like I'm holding my left button in my touchpad, and then I am
moving drag.
dragging it. Okay, and then another way you can select shift and then
Arrow.
right arrow. Okay, and if you know that you are going to select the whole line, you can put your cursor in the beginning of the line and you can press shift down arrow. Okay, so this is the different way by which you can select. There is another way, control A, by which you can select everything on a given document.
Or one word, just double click.
Yeah, or see the on this one, if you double click this one, if it is one word, if it is multiple word, probably double click will not work, but if it is one word, it will work. If you double click, it will be selecting. Now I am just going through this basic stuff because this is the day-to-day stuff that you will have to do. You will have to do, and you want to be as much fast. As much fast means when you are working, like I want to see, even in the class I want to see you are not hesitating on this simple cut, copy, paste and sending it to me. You just do it. I want it, you do it quickly, send it to me. So I want everyone, like if you are still slow on cut, copy, paste or selecting stuff, there are a lot of resources in the internet. Do a little bit research, how can I select, cut, copy, paste, everything, make yourself clear. And if you need my help anytime, we will be having group email, so you can reach me anytime. If you are having any trouble, you will be, I'm asking you to contact me anytime, any moment. It doesn't matter what is the time, midnight or what is the time. If I am busy, if I am in work, or if I am doing something, I'll be responding your query as early as possible when it is suitable for me. But don't hesitate to contact me or contact us. Okay, and to make your life easy, like so that you can get more engaged customer support, or support in training. We are hiring people in Bangladesh. They are going to be joining from 1st of October. They will have certain window, they will remain online, so that you can ask him live question. So everything we are doing here, so that you guys can take the maximum benefit of being trained with us. Okay, so don't hesitate to contact us. And I know we are running a little bit limited capacity right now, but soon from the 1st of October we are having 3 resources. So we will give window, and they will remain online in a given period of time every day, so that you can ask your question day to day. Okay, right. So now see, we have discussed how to cut, copy, paste. Now let's say you want to you have selected everything. You want to make in testing. Sometimes you will have to make millions of characters. Let's say one field requirement is you test it with, let's say, 5,000 characters. You have to input 5,000 characters, and you have to test it that this field is able to take 500 characters. Sometimes we see you will have to input 10,000 characters in a given field, and you have to, if you input 10,001 characters, one character extra, it will give you a warning. So you will have to verify that warning message. Okay, as a tester, we do lot of verification, lot of assurance that the functionality that we are looking for, it is working as expected. Now we'll have situation. Let me see who is pinging me. I think you cannot see my screen. Let me share my screen. Oh, I'm already sharing it. What is the problem you are having? Internet? So where are you guys getting connected? Which one?
MD or something like
M tester. Okay. Okay. I think that is what we do.
Oh, okay. He's talking about the Nizam in Bangladesh.
Okay. All right. So see here. Okay. Now, see, a lot of time you will have to check some fields that you will have to make sure that that field is taking 5,000 characters, and when you input 5,001 characters or more characters than 5,000, it is giving you an error message or warning message. Okay, so you will have to test that type of situation in your day-to-day testing.
So how do we test it? We put like ourselves in 10,000 characters?
Yeah, you put if it is a manual testing, you have to generate 5,000 characters, and then you will have to input those 5,000 characters in that field.
Really? Hard level, huh?
So 5,000 characters. If you need to input 1 million characters, can you imagine what will happen?
It's really hard because that's a long character.
Can you imagine if you want to type 1 million characters, how many days it will take? Right? Okay. 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 So that is why we are here to show you how you can do that. Okay. Now, one thing, when you are doing automation testing means by code, we have lot of techniques that we use to generate characters. Okay, but that is in a later part of the course. At this point, I'll show you how you can generate your million characters. Okay. Now, if you know, let's say how many characters we have here in this line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay.
30.
Now, if I copy it, okay, then let's say paste it. Okay, paste it. Let me remove the. Okay. Now, how many times I pasted it? 4 times. Now 4 times 30, 120. Right? Now copy everything. And then, now how many I have? 240. Now copy everything. Now how many I have? 480. Now copy everything.
40 more.
Actually, now how many? 480. Let me type another 20 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have how many?
500.
500 characters. Okay. Now you paste it. What is that? No. It is copying. Okay. Now actually we have some extra lines here. We will have to remove these extra lines because each of the lines will be a character. Okay. So now how many characters we have here? 1000, right? Now again select all. Now we have 2000, right? Okay. Let's say we have 2000 characters. Now you can, in that way, you can multiply it and then you can generate your character. And let me show you. Now you are confused how many characters you have in that one. You cannot like how will you count how many characters you have?
I should say using Word, right? Is this Word or what is this?
This is a Gmail.
Oh, this is Gmail. You should say somewhere how many characters.
You select all and property.
No. Okay, go ahead and tell.
Okay, let me go to the Word. I'll show you multiple way how you can count how many characters you have. So are all of you familiar with Word, how to use Word, how to write a simple document, how to format it with margins and stuff?
Very little.
Yeah, get yourself familiar, like how you can prepare, let's say how you can prepare simple things and stuff. Do a lot of, like, you will have to work on Word and Excel a lot of times. If you are working as a tester, remember you will have to work in Microsoft Word and Excel a lot of times. Okay, now let me open a document and let me paste everything here. Okay, now if you go to review, right, and can you see actually you can see 48 words. They are saying we have 48 words. Okay, that 48 words means they are counting this one as a word, they are counting this one as a, yeah, this one as a word. But let me see how we can get more info. Can you see we have 2 pages, 48 words and 2000 characters.
Where did you click there?
Can you see this word count ABC 1 2 3? If you click here, then you can see how many characters you have in that particular document. Now, what is the reason we need to know how many characters there are? Because there is a requirement. You must will have that type of requirement in every application, that on a given field you will have to input 5,000 characters or 2,000 characters, and then that is why you need to know how many characters you are inputting on that field. If you are inputting, let's say the requirement is you have to test that field is able to take how many characters? That field is able to take 2,000 characters. Now you are inputting somehow 2001 characters, and you are saying that it is taking 2000 characters. It is okay. Let me say it in that way. Let's say you need to test it that if you input 2001 characters, it will show you the warning. Now you are inputting 2000 characters because you thought that there are 2001 characters, but unfortunately there are 2000 characters. Now if you report a defect, okay, this field, even if I am inputting 2001 characters, but it is not showing me the right warning. But actually you are not inputting 2001 characters, but you are assuming that you are inputting 2001 characters. So if you send a report to the other team, right, and those guys will have to do a little bit of research to find out actually how many characters you have, how many characters actually you are inputting. And after their research, if they find that actually you are inputting 2000 characters, so you are not supposed to get that warning. That is normal, but they will have to do a research to input how many characters you are inputting. So they are wasting time. Then next time they will think, oh, that guy, when he reports something, he doesn't know how to count. Then next time when you send another defect to them, they will think it has low price. Defect has a defect. Exactly. Okay, so that's why you want to make sure when you are communicating to the other team. I know people make mistakes. We make mistakes. We all make mistakes, but you want to verify as much as possible that you are sending right information to other teams. Because a lot of, like in this industry, people are busy. So who working on DBA, they are busy with their DBA tasks. Who working on development, they are busy with their development. Who working on business analysis, they are busy with their tasks. So when you are sending something to other teams, if you want to get their attention, if you want to engage them in the problem, make sure that it is a real problem. Okay. Now, in that way.
Can you tell one more time how to count the word when you click?
Okay. So
I'm
see.
on Word right now.
Okay, you are in Word. Now, if you go to review, there is a menu. Can you see home, file, home, insert, design, layout, references? Can you see these menus?
Yeah.
Can everyone see this menu?
I got file, home, insert, layout, references, mailing, review. Oh, review. Okay.
Review.
Yeah.
If you click on that review, and then can you see that word count? Right? You can see that word count.
Word,
Uh-huh.
spelling, grammar, translate.
Mhm.
comment, track change.
And there is a word count.
There is word counter.
Okay, hold on. Let me quickly check something if it is recording for me. Recording the voice.